Hi viewers, welcome to our channel An Umbrella. So today we'll discuss about the topic: if your YouTube channel got deleted by mistakenly by yourself or from the YouTube, that time the following details are very much needed, like YouTube channel ID, customer ID, URL, etc. will help you to recover your channel. The step-by-step process I will tell you. The first step is open your YouTube channel, then click on the profile pic icon at the right side corner, then from the left bar click on YouTube Studio, then come down to the left side and click on customization. Then there you will find channel customization, layout, branding and basic info. Click on the basic info. There you can find the channel name. This is what the channel name that you have given. This channel name can be changed every 14 days twice. However, keep it constant for better this thing. And now we need the channel URL, which is called as handle in YouTube. In this handle already it has given by ourselves. Based on our text, the YouTube will generate its URL like this: https youtube/ our handle name. This is what our URL. We just right click and copy and save it somewhere. And one more thing, better try to open a Word document and save it somewhere, like channel name. You can say channel name, you can copy and paste. Similarly, URL, copy and paste over here. And then next, and this is what the regular channel name, but channel URL as per standard web address, it will take, it includes unique channel ID. You can take that also. Channel URL, just click on the copy and paste here. Then now we need channel ID and user ID, both also required. For that thing we need to go back to same and click on the profile icon, then come down and click on the settings. Here on the left side taskbar you click on advanced settings. Here you will find the user ID and channel ID as well. So I will copy it. So click on the copy user ID, Ctrl V, you can paste it, and then channel ID, copy, paste, and channel ID is copied and paste it here. Like that it will be saved. You can say umbrella channel details of YouTube. I will save in my system for future requirement when my channel got deleted. For recovering this thing, it will be helpful. And one more thing, you can also find the same details, and one more thing, description is there. You click on the arrow here, you can find the channel details on the down. Like here is the URL, and you can find it in another way. As I said, as a handle name, like your YouTube / handle name will be there. This is one of the URL you can find directly. Okay.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it's useful. So please like and share to be a part of sharing knowledge to reach more people. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to give your valuable feedback on comment section below to improve ourselves in coming future.